How to edit photos on Snapchat step by step. To edit photos on Snapchat, first of all, you have to go ahead and then launch the Snapchat application on your device. Once you open it, all you have to do is now go ahead and then proceed to take a photo by tapping the large circular shutter button at the bottom center. Now you simply have to go ahead and then use the right side creative toolbar. You can also upload photo from your gallery or the memories option. Now, once you're here within the editing option, you can use the text tool to type the captions. You can also use the pen tool to draw. You can also add stickers by tapping on the stickers option. From here, you can also add sounds. You can use the lenses option to select any of the given lenses that can add a filter-like effect to your photos. You can also use the paperclip tool icon to attach links to your photo. You can also use the crop tool to crop it, and this is how you can edit photos on Snapchat. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.